Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the bounty board in Axie Infinity. I will explain what it is, how to participate and how to make money with it. Watch this video until the end and you will learn about the new method of making money in the Axie ecosystem. I am CERBER and let's get started. Let's start by understanding what the bounty board is. The bounty board allows you to earn access tokens by completing certain quests in the Axie ecosystem. In the Axie marketplace you can find a page with the bounty board and quests. There are two types of boards, the standard board and the premier board. The standard board has 5 daily quests that never change, while the premier board has many quests that change every day and you can even reroll them using your sleeps. I will talk more about the premier bounty soon. By completing those daily quests, you receive points. Each quest has its own amount of points that you will receive. The bounty board runs for 1 week and at the end of the week, based on your score, you receive an amount of access tokens. Let's dive in and explore the standard board. It has 5 quests that never change. The first one is Activate Atia. It's a simple blessing with your wallet and will give you 10 points for signing a transaction. The second quest rewards you with 40 points and you need to open a pouch. You can open a pouch in the Garuda shop, but it isn't free. You need to spend 10 slips to open it, but the rewards you get inside can be sold on the marketplace. 10 slips cost about 4 cents, but to get them you need to own a collectible Axie. To receive 10 slips every day, you would need to spend about $100 in Axies. It's an expensive quest and normally players don't complete it. Then there are 2 quests for playing Axie Classic and Axie Origins. You need to win 1 battle in each game. To play those games you need to own 3 Axies. That's an about $8 investment and you can sell them whenever you want. You can also get those Axies for free if someone delegates them to you. You will be able to play with them, but you won't own them. For those quests you will receive 70 points in total. For the last quest, you need to fit 1 Coco Choco to any Axies that you own. The Coco Choco costs about 4 cents, so in 1 week you will spend about 30 cents on that quest. In total you can receive 145 points every day by completing this quest. In 1 week you will get 1015 points. You won't earn a lot with them, but the main goal is to obtain the premier ticket. You can obtain it by getting 1000 points on the standard board or by paying 200 slips. That ticket is used to get access to the premier board. That's where the main rewards are. Now let's talk about the premier board because it's the main source of income in the bounty board. Here you have 6 different quests. 3 are app.axie related and 3 are Axie ecosystem quests. Those quests have different tiers and the higher the tier the more points you will get. You can click on details and check the full bounty list. You can see that the basic quest normally reward between 10 and 40 points, while advanced quests can give you 600 points. There is also a small chance to receive a master quest which can give you more than 1000 points. A master quest also has a 25% chance of rewarding you with 1 access token if you complete it. Normally higher tier quests are expensive and require you to ascend an Axie, breed or buy a collectible Axie. That's why they give you so many points. By completing all 6 quests you also get additional points. If you complete 4 quests you get plus 50 points, 5 quests give you plus 150 points and all 6 quests give you plus 350 points. Your goal is to get as many points as possible in 1 week because your reward will depend on it. If you don't like the quest you rolled, you can re-roll it for slips and get another one. Each quest can be re-rolled 10 times. The first 5 re-rolls cost about 10 slips each and you will mostly receive basic and intermediate quests. After 5 rerolls you start to pay 30 slips and you won't receive basic quests anymore, which is good. You increase your chance to receive intermediate to 85%, but the odds of getting advanced or master stays the same. The last 2 rerolls cost 100 slips each. You cannot receive basic or intermediate quests, only advanced or master. However, no matter how many slips you spend, the chance of getting a master quest is still the same. 2%. To make the full 10 rerolls on 1 quest you need to spend 340 slips and rerolling all 6 quests costs about 2000 slips a day. That's a lot and only players with high investments can afford it. But let's talk about the rewards. The premier bounty has a leaderboard and the higher your points, the higher your rewards and rank. For example, the top 1 gets 120 access every week. If you reach the top 100 you will get 12 access as a bonus reward. If you get into the top 500, the last rank, you will receive an additional additional reward of 2 AXS. Remember, those leaderboard rewards are on top of the normal pool based on your points. For example, I reroll some quests, but not too much, and I can place in the top 300 and get about 3-4 AXS from my points, plus 6 AXS from the 300 rank reward. So that's about $25 in 1 week. Pretty good, I think. There is one but: you cannot play without investments. To complete Premier Bounty quest, you need to do different activities in the Axie ecosystem, such as buying an Axie, evolving it, buying a memento, and other tasks. Small investments are needed, but they recover in 1 week, so it's not a problem. Now let's talk about some changes. Recently the team announced the bounty board transition, and there are some good changes for us. There is a post about it on the Axie Infinity blog. I will leave the link in the description, but I will cover the important points now. First, they are looking to unite the standard board with the premier board into one board. Why? Their vision is to treat the bounty board like a battle pass in the Axie ecosystem, a new version of a battle pass. To get access, you will probably need to spend sleeps or complete some daily actions like the standard board to get an entry ticket. The team started the transition with phase 1, and there are some changes. First, the reward pool was updated. Standard bounty board rewards decreased from 12,000 AXS to 7,000 AXS. The premier bounty pool, leaderboard, and master quest pool increased, so players now get more access from the premier bounty, which is really good for us. That was one of the first updates in phase 1. I'm sure we will see more soon. The team made it very clear: the bounty board will work as a battle pass in the Axie ecosystem. They want to add more quests, and the pool from the standard board will transfer into the premier bounty board over time. The standard bounty is full of bots, and no one except bots earns there, so for us that shift is a big plus. You can expect rewards in the premier bounty to increase with new updates, and the faster you master this method, the more you will earn. Let me share my experience. I have participated in the premier bounty for 3 weeks. My strategy was to reroll expensive quests and complete all 6 quests. I rerolled quests like feed Coco Choco to your Axie, evolve your Axie, or release one Axie. I completed quests for buying items such as buy one premium Coco, buy an Axie, or buy a memento. I bought them and then sold them, paying only a 4% market fee, so I spent very small amount of AXS during the week. In the first week I spent only $2 reselling resources, but I also had a quest to evolve an Axie. That's an expensive quest, but I didn't count it because I needed to evolve that Axie anyway. As a result, I spent 600 sleeps, about $2.4, and earned 4.4 AXS. My net profit was about $5. In the next weeks I forgot to record how much AXS I earned, but the results were similar. It's not a lot, but I made $5 profit before the team's changes. If you try the premier bounty now, you will earn more rewards, and in the future you will earn even more. So in my opinion, if you want extra profit every week, complete the premier bounty board. I was making about $5 weekly for just a few minutes a day, and now with the premier bounty pool increase, I expect to make much more. This week I'm aiming for about $30 in AXS. Even if I spend $10 to $15, I still get a good profit, and I'm not a big spender. To finish this video, let me give you some quick tips. The bounty board is 100% profitable, but if you handle it wrong, you will lose. Some quests are unprofitable. Reroll or skip them. If you get a quest to fit one premium Coco Choco to your Axie, don't do it. That quest may give you about 600 points, but it costs almost $1 to complete. Always choose quests with the smallest possible loss. Also, prepare for your quest. Some may require to ascend your Axie from level 19 or higher, or to release an Axie. Releasing an Axie can be costly, so prepare those Axies early and hold them until you get that quest. I have a small memento calculator on axiehomelet.com that can help you find good Axies. Another tip: find someone who can supply sleeps. Players with sleeps usually have many collectible Axies. You could buy sleeps from them or level their Axies in exchange for sleeps. You don't need a lot, because completing all standard board quests already gives you a premier ticket, and rerolling bad quests costs about 50 sleeps daily. Those are my tips for beginners. If you have questions or need help, join our Discord community, link in the description. We share different earning methods in the crypto space and help each other. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about earning strategies in crypto. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.